Coral reefs are some of the most important ecosystems on Earth, even though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor. They support nearly 25% of all marine life, providing shelter, breeding grounds, and food for thousands of fish and invertebrate species. Healthy reefs act as underwater cities, sustaining biodiversity that entire coastal food chains depend on. When coral thrives, oceans are more balanced, productive, and resilient. Coral is also critical for humans. Reefs protect coastlines by absorbing the force of waves and storms, reducing erosion and damage from hurricanes. They support fishing industries that feed millions of people and generate billions of dollars worldwide. Tourism centered around coral reefs brings income to coastal communities and creates jobs. Losing coral reefs isn't just an environmental tragedy, it's an economic and social one. Coral bleaching happens when rising ocean temperatures, pollution, or chemical damage stress corals, causing them to expel the symbiotic algae that give them color and energy. Without these algae, coral turns white, weakens, and often dies. Bleaching doesn't just affect coral itself, it causes entire reef systems to collapse. Stopping coral bleaching requires action on both global and local levels. Reducing carbon emissions slows ocean warming, while improving water quality by limiting runoff, waste, and destructive fishing practices helps reefs recover. Protecting coral reefs is not optional, it's essential. Healthy coral means healthy oceans, stronger coastlines, and a more stable future for both marine life and humanity. Like and subscribe for more ocean stories.